Okay, hello guys. I'll be giving my review and also give my breakdown on how I took my trade for this coming week, for this last week, and also I'll be giving my review on this coming week. If you're new to this channel, I give only Usdjpy analysis on a weekly basis, and also let's go to the video. Let's jump right in. So, looking here, we're expecting the market to give us a push to this downside, a push to this breaker block and fair value gap before continuing to the upside. And just like you always know, I say follow the markets. It's something I always announce. We follow the markets. We are not the one that create the move. We react to the markets. And also, the market did not come to that zone because of this one reason. We had this structure right here. We had this break or this change of character right here. And the zone that caused this break was this zone right here. This zone was the zone that caused this break. So institutional trade, institutional position and there and institutional trades are protected, guys. So the market came down to take out this liquidity, then give us a push, then kind of give us a W pattern. The moment we had this break of this structure, that's when I know the market has shifted to the uptrend. Then I got in on a buy at that zone to neckline of this head and shoulder, as the market is currently printing a head and shoulder pattern. So this is the neckline. So these are my trades I took for last week or this week, and the coming week. Where will I be getting in for more position, guys? Where will I be getting in for more positions? So let's clear the chart a little. So starting on the weekly, let's do a top-down analysis. Starting on the weekly, where do we have our zones? So let's mark up our zone on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly, what are we seeing, guys? What are we seeing on the weekly? We are seeing this nice zone right here, this nice resistance. This has been a resistance for a pretty long time, and also we have this very nice support. I have this very nice support which the market is currently testing and reacting to. Okay, so let's drop down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what are we seeing, guys? What are we seeing on our daily time frame? What are we seeing? Okay, we have this nice zone right here. We have this nice zone right here, which the market is or have reacted to multiple times. So let's go down to the 4-hour for more precise zones. So on the 4-hour, what are we seeing? What are we seeing? Okay, we are seeing this zone right here, which is a support zone for this head and shoulder, this head and shoulder pattern, and we are seeing the neckline too. This neckline zone right here. So these are the zones we are currently seeing and the market is reacting to. So we have this break of structure right here. That way the market gives us a change of character. So we have that zone right here, which the market came back to test this fair value gap right here. This fair value gap, this very big fair value gap right here. Market came to test it, then continue to the upside. So where am I expecting the market to come to before giving us a very nice entry? Like where are the possible zones to get our entries for this coming week? The zone I'm expecting the market to give us a very nice entry for this coming week. Let's go down to the 1 hour to see it more precise. Is this week right here, this very long week. Maybe the market will want to retest this week before continuing to the upside. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have a fair value gap inside that zone. We have this very nice fair value gap right here. Let me mark it out. We have this fair value gap. You see this range inside this bar. We have this nice fair value gap. So the market will likely want to test it before continuing the uptrend. So this is also a scenario. Now, we are not the one telling the market what to do. We are simply identifying what we are going to do before the market opens for the coming week. If the market gives us this break, the market come to break this structure before coming to this zone, probably the market will surely create imbalances on the way. The market does continue pushing up. Once the market opens next week, either the market comes back to either another block, a fair value gap the market created here, or a supply, a demand zone, because of this like a rally kind of zone. The market might still come to that zone, then continue. So these are the two scenarios I'm expecting the market to continue from next week. because of we are officially on an uptrend. The market is ready to go sweep out that liquidity right there. So these are the two things I'm expecting the market to do this coming week. So let's go back to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, these are my zones, or these are the zones I'm expecting the market to, come to before it comes to take out this liquidity right here. As this zone is our target, this is our target. This liquidity is our target. The market is likely to come to sweep that liquidity. So where am I looking for buying? I'm looking to buy at this very nice zone right here. I'm looking to buy at this zone once the market opens. So I'll go for 1:3, targeting that liquidity, targeting the liquidity, because the market is likely to sweep out that liquidity. So this is a nice 1:3. The nice 1:3. This is what I am expecting the market to give us this week. So if you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, as it helps the algorithm to push the video to as much people that needs the video. Also, if your first time, like I said, I do only Usdjpy weekly analysis on this channel. So whenever we meet again, I wish you guys a happy trading and peace out.